Hey everybody, we have an American spacecraft 4 billion miles from home approaching Ultima Thule. The spacecraft is currently 2 minutes from its closest approach. It's moving at 9 miles per second. Think about that. In the next 2 minutes, it's going to travel the distance of the entire East Coast from Miami to Maine. If you were on board New Horizons right now, Ultima Thule would be about as big in the sky as a full moon over the Earth. Wow. But only dimly lit because it's so far from the sun that the spacecraft is bathed in a light that's only the equivalent of a dusky twilight, about the equivalent of 100 full moons. At this very moment, while we're speaking and celebrating this event, New Horizons is taking its riskiest observation. It's trying to get the very highest resolution images as it's zipping by at 32,000 miles per hour. Okay, we're under a minute now, so we're gonna start the countdown. 50 seconds to fly by. You guys ready? Are you psyched? Are you jazzed? 45 seconds to fly by. 40 seconds. Join me. 35 seconds. 30 seconds. Just 30 seconds. 25. Shh. 20. We're almost there. 15. 14. 13. 12. 11. 10. 9. 8. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go New Horizons! Go New Horizons! Woo-hoo! 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 New Horizons is on departure. Go USA! Go NASA! Go New Horizons! All right. Thank you, guys. Thank you, and thank you. They're going to do an interview now up here, a TV interview. Yeah. Thanks for joining in this. Yeah.